Good morning, toddler one. Today we're going to read Goodnight, Goodnight construction site. Are you ready? There it is. Look at that big digger. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Are you ready to see all the trucks? Here they are. You point some out for me? Those are so many, right? The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Oh, I see a cement truck. Tell me when you see the cement truck. It's coming. Oh, there it is. Do you see the cement truck? Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Let's check out what the crane is working on. He's got beams he's lifting, right? I'm sure if you live in downtown Boston, you see lots of trucks, right? He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. There he is. Can you see the star? Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings a whirly song. Now he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Maybe he's going to go to bed too now. Let's see. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Here he is. He's getting his truck all washed up after a long day of work. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads, both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one is as tough and strong as he, but he's now sleepy as can be. Everybody's getting tired, right? What color is his truck? Tell mommy or daddy what color the truck is. He's yellow. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. He's going to bed. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arr! But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig in soon. He'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Look at that. He's digging all kinds of holes, right? Yawn. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Good night, everybody. Good night. The end. We'll see you soon.